I know what this is. I've been expecting it, and it's going to bring me so much joy. Thank you to the seller for sending me this for my consideration. Is, oh, he's got some weight to him. Oh my God, look at it. Ah, oh, he's so cute. Oh, look at his little paws. Oh, look at his little eyes. Look at his eyes. Oh, he's got little horns. Look at his little ears. Oh, oh, so cute. Yes. I love rock and roll. Put another dime in the jukebox, baby. And I checked his little tag on the bottom. The bottom says to only heat him in short bursts of 30 seconds each, and make sure you only heat him from room temperature. So don't put him in the freezer and then put him in the microwave, I guess. That's cute. Look at this. Okay, I'm going to try to microwave him right now. Okay, buddy. You go for a little ride. So 30 seconds. Here he goes. Look at him. Woo, little buddy. He's having fun. Going round and round. So cute. Okay, buddy. Ah, okay. So he's definitely warmer. He's not hot. I think I can put him in for another 30 seconds, but I'm not going to right now. I do want to comment. I don't smell anything weird or strange, which is good, because you don't want to, you know, go to bed with a nice warm little buddy and then he stinks, right? No, we don't want stinky buddies. Cow. I'm a cow. I'm a microwavable cow.